pace, and while further back, Joe and Zarco hit the deck at turn 5. Brad Linden crashed during Q2, also went down at unlucky turn 13. Vinales, despite being struck with illness, put in a fine performance and recovered second place, leaving Marquez to fall off Martin in a bid to finish on the podium. Martinator's aggression came off. A mistake by Bagnaia cost the number one spot. Running wide, he gifted Vinales with a chance to claim his first sprint win. Off the final lap, the 8-time world champion Marquez snatched second. Aprilia rider at the front remaining composed to take the checkered flag.
Maverick Vinales comes out of the final corner, and that Top Gun is back on top in MotoGP. He wins a T-Side sprint here in the Grand Prix of Portugal. First a win for Maverick Vinales in factory Aprilia colours. Great job by him.